there, I'm Brian Taylor, owner of Highway RV in Lake Alfred, Florida. Today I want to take you on a tour of this almost new Class C motorhome. This is a Winnebago Spirit. It's a nice little short, compact and easy to drive motorhome that is a great alternative to Class B and Class B Plus motorhomes, and it's going to save you a lot of money. So let's go ahead and start our tour on the inside. Okay, let's go ahead and start our tour here on the inside of this coach. This is a almost brand new 2018 Winnebago Spirit. This is the 22M floor plan. It's got one slide. This one is only about 24 foot 2 inches long on outside dimensions, and this one only has 5,500 miles on it, so it's as close to new as you're going to find. But I think you'll be really impressed with just how much usable space this has. It'd be really good as a family trailer for or a family motorhome for someone who has a couple of kids, because we've got a walk-around queen bed in the rear, and we've got sleeping for two adults up here. You can also convert this area into sleeping, the dinette here, so you can feasibly sleep 5 people in here. And actually the bathroom is nice and roomy and would handle that. So what we're going to do is I'm going to kind of show you around this model and point out some of the features it has, and at the same time also comment on the condition it's in. But I'm going to say kind of right up front that being only 5,500 miles on it, in just about every way it's in like new condition. If I see any bit of wear and tear, I will point it out, but pretty much everything's perfect on it. Up here in the front we've got our standard E350 Ford van chassis. We've got a Pioneer touchscreen stereo, our normal HVAC controls, and the seats are in perfect condition. We've got our rubber mat flooring, which is really nice for cleanup, and we've got a nice rugs that the owners have installed here that fit perfectly. And then up above we have the sleeping area. It comes with a ladder that hooks on right here, so you can easily access that. We've got some extra material here for blocking off the light up here. Plus you've got a curtain for privacy to pull across this area. And of course right here's our television. It's on a swing arm, so it just pushes back out of the way when you're not using it, but it's really easy to pivot over here when you're sitting down to watch television. Up here we've got a Sony DVD player and some storage up above. And then the dinette is an oversized U-shaped dinette, which kind of comfortably doubles as a sofa and a dinette. And they really are a lot more comfortable than your standard dinette, because you can just kind of sit back like you're on a couch. It's just as comfortable as having a sofa. But in this footprint and size of RV, you simply don't have enough room to have a sofa and a dinette. So they kind of do a best of both worlds with these smaller, with the big oversized dinette. We've got tons of storage up above, and I love the finish of the wood. It is a gray stain on all of the wood. We've got this nice taupey vinyl or leatherette surface with a dark brown accent. All of our countertops are like a almost a black or a dark gray marble look, not granite. And then the flooring is very nice and modern looking. It looks exactly like tile. It's got this really nice design on it, but it is actually a sheet vinyl product, so it's very easy to take care of. You don't have any little grout joints to keep clean. It's just as easy to clean up as anything you could possibly have. And you've got a nice runner here in the middle for tracking, so you don't get tracks. We've got a double bowl stainless sink right here. We've got a lot of storage up above. And pretty much this is just a full kitchen. We've got a 3-burner cooktop. It's literally never been used yet, so it is in brand new condition. And it's got an oven, so that's really nice. You can bake in here as well. And you've got an over-the-range microwave. So that's pretty much the front area of the motorhome. Okay, so now looking toward the back of the motorhome, we'll go ahead and continue going. And over here you'll have what I call the brains of the coach. You've got your inverter control up here, so you do have an inverter which will convert the battery power to electric. It's a Magnum inverter, which is a great brand. You've got a holding tank heater right here for cold weather. Your generator start and stop controls. I do have the generator running right now. We've got a water heater, which this would be your propane hot water heater. This is a level test gauge, so you can check the levels of your holding tanks. And this is your water pump control. On this side, we have a really nice size pantry. This is great for canned goods and shallow boxes. And down below we have access to our water pump, which is nice and convenient there, and winterization valves. We've got a Norcold 2-door refrigerator right here. It does have custom door inserts that match the rest of the cabinetry, so it looks really nice and built in. This is our furnace, a couple of more drawers down beneath here. And then the bathroom is just huge for the size of RV that we have here. You've got a nice corner shelving unit in here, which you see in pictures. It's really not able to get the camera in here and swung around real well. This is your shower. It's a glass enclosed shower with a skylight up above for tall folks. It's all in perfect condition in here, as is the flooring. You've got your Thetford foot flush toilet right here. A nice size vanity over here with a mirror in front. And I've actually seen, Class A motorhomes that don't have any more room than this in their bathroom. It's a really large bathroom considering we're talking about such a small, compact, and easy to drive motorhome. Coming on back into the bedroom, over here we have a big wardrobe. It's a very large wardrobe with plenty of room for hanging clothes and stuff like that in there. We've got a nice size drawer here for nice big bulky items. We've got nightstand on this side. It does have charging ports down here, USB ports for your television or your telephone. And this is a remote control for the extra television that is behind the cameraman. This is a slide out for the bed. This cushion just pulls up like this, and you just touch a button and this slide out pulls in. But when it's in this out position, it allows for a full walk around queen bed. That's a feature that's just unheard of on a motorhome this size. It makes it very, very usable and comfortable. We got more storage up above the bed, as well as this nice shelf for putting stuff up there. So that's pretty much the inside of our Winnebago Spirit. Let's go ahead and continue our tour out on the outside. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and continue our tour here on the outside of this motorhome. Again, this is a 2018 Winnebago Spirit. It's the 22M floor plan, which is just a little over 24 feet long. It's 24 foot 2 inches to be exact. This one has about 5,500 miles on it and is in just basically like new condition all the way around. Our front grille and bumper are just perfect. There's no chips or anything like that on those. Our headlights are crystal clear. All of this paint on the hood is perfect. This one has the molded front cap option, which I think is an absolute must. If you were to ever have a leak in the front, If you don't have a molded front cap, you run the risk of having a delamination issue, which could be very expensive to fix. And in this case, from a structural standpoint, 20 years from now, it's going to look just as good as it does now. We've got our hand-cooked tires on it. They are knee-deep in tread. You know, it's only 5,500 miles on them. We've got chrome mirrors here. All of these graphics and paint are in perfect condition. Coming to the sidewall of the motorhome, you'll see it's in a tan color on the gel coat. And we've got kind of a medium brown and a dark brown and a white graphics. Everything is just in excellent shape down through here. We've got a storage compartment right here, and it's a very deep storage compartment. It's probably about 2.5 feet deep, I would estimate, and it's really a good size. Right here we have a hookup for an external TV, both the cable and the electric right here. This is the output for our furnace, our exhaust, I should say. This is the back panel of the refrigerator. Coming on back from there, I did not put the awning out because it's pretty darn windy. We're having some pretty strong gusts here in Florida, so I had to leave the awning in, but it's in excellent condition and it is a power awning. Just touch a button and it comes out. Coming around to the back of the motorhome, all of this fiberglass is in perfect condition. There's no scratches on the back bumper or anything like that. We do have a black aluminum ladder that will access our roof as well as our backup monitor. And this is that slide out that houses the queen bed so that you've got all that extra space when we put that out and allows for that walk around bed. Now this is our main exterior storage compartment right here, and it is very large. You've got a very big area back in here, and down here we have like a cubby that sort of goes back further in there, which would be a great place to put a ladder or something like that, or anything that's a longer item. This right here is our electrical cord storage, where we put our gasoline. This is the tank fill for the water. This is the city fill. This is your cable inlet if you've got park cable. And this is a black tank flush for cleaning your black water sewer tank. Right up here we have our propane tank, and it is in perfect condition with no rust or anything like that on it. This is our water heater right here. That is in also likewise excellent condition. All of the sidewalls on this side are just perfect. They don't show any signs of fading or, of course, any cracking on the graphics or anything like that. And right in here it houses our Cummins Onan generator. So that was the generator that we were running earlier, and it is a 4,000 watt generator. Again, our running boards on this side are in great shape. I maybe show just the tiniest little bit of wear right here from stepping in and out, but it would be something so easy to just literally wipe a little back to black or something like that on it. It's going to look brand new. This mirror's in great shape as well, and that pretty much brings us to the end of our outside portion of the walk around. I think this is a really great alternative if you're looking to buy something new, but you want to save some money. You're virtually getting just about all of the benefits of buying new, and maybe a little bit less break-in time because it's already been used some, but it's in almost like new condition. Very, very, very few signs of any use whatsoever. If you'd like more information on the motorhome, you can call us at highwayrv.com. Call us at 863-956-1036. That was easy for me to say. You can visit us online at highwayrv.com, and you can email us at info@highwayrv.com, and we would be glad to send you more information or send you a detailed picture package of all the details on this motorhome. So hopefully this has been helpful to you in making a buying decision. We film these videos not to be, we don't script them as you see see earlier, we have the warts and mistakes and all of that. If we make a mistake, we keep on rolling. I'm doing these just simply to be able to show you the condition of the motorhomes that we have. So it's meant for you to be able to do real shopping in the comfort of your home. You can rest assured that if you want to make the trip to see this motorhome, you will not have to worry about the condition that it's in from a cosmetic standpoint. We try to highlight everything. So we appreciate you taking the time to watch this video. We hope it's been helpful to you. You have a great day and God bless.